It's not a venture capital company, but its strategic part, the VC arm of it, is just becoming a juggernaut in the space.
Yeah, it's definitely become the $5 trillion benefactor of most of the AI industry right now. What we reported here is that just through October of this year, Nvidia has backed 59 different AI startups, which already outpaces all of what it did last year. I think it's more than triple or quadruple what it did a couple of years ago. And there's no sign of it slowing down. And I think there's a clear desire here to kind of support the wider ecosystem and industry in ways that probably come back and benefit Nvidia.
One of the things we mentioned in the story is circular financing, or the circular nature of what's happening in the AI ecosystem. What would Nvidia say about that?
You know, what they've said to us and to other outlets certainly is that there is no obligation here that the companies that it provides money to have to then turn around and buy Nvidia chips. And that may be true. What's also true is that obviously Nvidia is the market leader for AI chips. So if it helps prop up dozens or hundreds of AI startups with capital, some of that money is going to come back to Nvidia. And ultimately, that feels part of a larger strategy. As we all know, Nvidia is very dependent on a handful of large tech firms who buy up the majority of its chips. If it can build future market leaders or even smaller firms with more capital, that's going to benefit and help diversify its revenue stream.
There's a great anecdote in the story coming from Aravind Srinivas, who's over at Perplexity, just saying how Jensen gets it done in terms of giving him access to GPUs that he needs.
Exactly. And I think it's not just about financial resources. It's about technical know-how. It's about the network. And fundamentally, it's about being able to brand yourself as an NVIDIA-backed company that carries a lot of bona fides right now.